What's the meaning of captivity? Captivity. Captivity.
Captivity. Captivity. Captivity refers to the state of being held captive or imprisoned. It is a condition in which one's freedom and movement are restricted, usually by force. The result of captivity can be mental and physical trauma, as it often involves isolation, lack of autonomy and control, and exposure to harsh conditions. Captives may also experience feelings of helplessness, anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Captivity can occur in a variety of contexts, including war, human trafficking, and domestic violence, and it is considered a violation of human rights.